We are at Big Spring Park outside, south of Joplin, Missouri, in a little town called Neosho, Missouri. And this is like a little fish pond here. And over there is the spring that we're going to. But it's just like a lovely little park. We're just going to explore it just for a few minutes and then head on our way. They say the park has different little pools that you can wade in or whatever when it's hot, but it's a pretty place. And this is one of many springs that are throughout Missouri and throughout the Ozark water trail that they have out here. That water coming off of there is just so crystal clear. You can see the algae and stuff that has developed through the years from this spring. So there is the spring flowing off the mountain, but if you look back here, there's water also coming out from under there, which is pretty cool. And it's flowing out at a pretty good pace from underneath that cliff face. Nancy's going down into a limestone cave that is also part of the spring. And you can hear the water running, and it's noticeably cooler down here too. But you can see that water running all down there.
And the old tramps down there?
Apparently not. And then this goes back out toward the park. That's the wading pool there. And then there's something else on the other side of this little park that we're going to go explore too. Here are a few still shots of our visit. Thanks for watching. Comments and thumbs up are always appreciated. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.